And visualization. So some people say, I don't know how to visualize. That's okay. You can ask yourself, how can I see what I'm not seeing? And then close your eyes. You may just see a black wall, but if you can, use your imagination and imagine your imagination is putting up a big giant movie screen. And now you see a big giant movie screen when you close your eyes. And now ask imagination to help you see what you're not seeing and put it on the screen, help you hear what you're not hearing. So we go through a whole exercise, but that's just the first part that you can begin to implement. If you say, I don't know how to visualize, that's okay. You don't have to know how to visualize, but there are tools and techniques that you can learn to teach imagination how to visualize. So, hypnosis is a deep state of relaxation where you are more receptive to suggestions, which makes it easier to reprogram the subconscious mind. As reality designers, combining hypnosis with your unique design can be a powerful tool for transformation. Hypnosis is the process of inducing deep states in which people can become more susceptible to suggestion and open to new ideas. And so we are being programmed in hypnotic states all day long. If you are relaxed and scrolling, those images and words are affecting your reality. And the more we put our most precious gift on, our focus, awareness, and attention, the more we are allowing ourselves unconsciously to be programmed. Here with hypnosis and your human design, you are consciously programming yourself. This is the difference. One is unconscious, the other is conscious. So we want to make a conscious effort and intention to designing and creating the reality that you want. And so the key benefits of becoming a reality designer with the help of hypnosis and co-creating with your human design, this really allows us to tap into our full potential. And I am a walking example of this because as a 5-1 manifester, I just didn't get it. I didn't get it. And now I get it. And I use the 5, the heretic. She has a whole new meaning, and she comes out when she's needed to come out. And then my 1, the investigator, I have the perfect job as a linguist for it and a hypnotist for it. I come, do the work, and then I know when to leave. And so with these just these 2 little things that I began to apply to my human design, my whole world began to change. And I want this for you because this increases self-awareness and understanding of your own unique human design. And it does involve gaining these insights into our natural strengths and weaknesses based on your genetic makeup and your personal experiences. Because now what I know, and I look back and I go, oh, why, aha, oh, aha, that's why that happened. Now I know why that happened. And so you begin to create tools that you can implement along with your human design. And so by embracing our authentic selves, we can better understand how we operate in the world around us, and then use this knowledge to create meaningful change in our lives. And so begin your journey as a reality designer and reap the benefits, including increased self-awareness, improved alignment between thoughts, emotions, actions, and toward desired outcomes, and overcoming limiting beliefs and fears. And I have an undefined spleen. And if you have a defined spleen, you may find you may have a lot of fears. I find a lot of people project their fears onto me. So, with that little piece of knowledge, when I start feeling fear, I'll ask myself, is this fear mine? Because I'm an undefined spleen. If I get a yes from my body, I start journaling. All right, what is it that's coming up? If I get a no from my body, I bless it and let it go. So listen to your body. If you are a single definition, you might have an easier time listening to your body. If you are a double, triple, quadruple definition, you might have a harder time listening to your body. So there are tools and techniques that you can learn to begin your journey into these benefits of co-creating with your human design and creating this deeper understanding of yourself as well.